Where you guys going tomorrow?
To school.
Are you excited?
Yes. Yeah.
What grade are you going to be in?
Second.
Second?
No, not second.
What grade?
Kindergarten.
Do you know who your teacher is?
Misty.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Did you have a visitor today?
Yes. Jingle.
Jingles? Where's Jingles?
Nowhere.
Nowhere?
No.
So did you have a visitor today?
Jingles. But he was here
Wow.
yesterday.
What did he have to say?
Thanks. Whatever. I don't know.
You don't know? Where is he?
I don't
Is he still here?
know. No.
No. Then how do you know he was here?
Because
What's over there?
Jingles. Jingles here. He's here.
What does he have? Looks like he has a note.
I'll get it.
That looks like, no, don't touch. I'll do it.
There's one for me and one for Hope.
One for you, one for Hope?
Yeah.
All right, let me get them and then we'll make another video.
And sharpeners.
Pencil sharpeners, cool. Hey, Jingles.
Hey, Jingles.
What's that? You got your water
He's
in it?
sleeping.
Looks like a bag of confetti.
Good night. What's confetti?